Craft, of course, for the
That's a good question.
station crew members, providing them assured return to Earth. It will also be the ticket home in late October for Volkov and Kononenko. The very top portion of the Soyuz that you see docked to the Pirs docking compartment is what is known as the orbital module. The middle section is the descent module where the crew is strapped in for launch and landing, and the lower section, the white section with the solar rays, that is the instrumentation and propulsion section of the Soyuz spacecraft. Zooming in now on the Soyuz, the orbital module, where items are stowed and where the hygiene facilities are for the Soyuz's two-day trip from the launch pad to docking, and after the Soyuz undocks in preparation for landing. Those three sections, of course, separate right before the descent module. The middle section enters the Earth's atmosphere for the entry back to Earth, returning station crew members to a landing, a parachute-assisted landing in Kazakhstan. At the bottom of your screen, the folded solar arrays belong to the Zarya module, which was the first component of the International Space Station, launched on a Proton rocket back on November 20th, 1998, coming up on the 10th anniversary of that launch. Those arrays no longer needed were folded in to provide the huge radiators that you see on the left and right side of your screen from the station's truss to be able to be fully extended to dissipate heat from the station's avionics. And on the lower portion of your screen, you can see the Unity module of the International Space Station, the gateway between the Russian and U.S. segments of the complex, and the Quest airlock on the right, from which the spacewalks were mounted by Mike Fossum and Ron Garan over the course of the past week. You can see the nitrogen and oxygen tanks around the circumference of Quest. They were replenished earlier today in a nitrogen and oxygen transfer from the shuttle Discovery. As the shuttle station complex flies over the Amazon jungle, about to cross the equator, moving from southwest to northeast to begin the 154th orbit of Discovery's flight to the International Space Station. A panoramic view of the complex, now weighing in mass more than 660,000 pounds.
And Houston for battery ops in the airlock. 1.605 terminate complete.
Copy, 1.605 terminate complete. Airlock. Houston on space to ground 2 for Mike and batteries.
Go ahead.